wondering how I got here. Adelong Falls. We hiked up to the top of the waterfall, and as we were coming back down, I decided to laugh at Brendan for almost slipping over, and then I slipped over right after that. So I went backwards and I high-fived the earth. It hurt for about 2 hours, decided to go to the hospital. They sent me away with just a wrapped hand, saying it was tissue damage. And then I got a call this morning to come back because they needed to put a cast on it. I explained to them that we're traveling and we're on our honeymoon. And so they wanted to get a final answer on essentially if it was broken or not. So we did an MRI. They didn't have the right person to look at it. So they decided to give me a half cast, and they would give me a call this afternoon. So they just called me and I found out it isn't broken. Definitely not broken. Very, very bruised. I don't know if you can actually see that. Very, very bruised, but not broken. So now I can go and shower.